If you are using MacBook Air and if you want to know how to replace the battery, then this video is for you. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. So the very first step we have to do is we have to go at the back side of the MacBook, and you can see there are screws at the end. So we have to remove all this screw first, and then we have to pull off this back. So I have this two screwdriver with me. I'm going to check which one is fit for this one, and now the blue one is a perfect one. So you have to look for the proper kit so that you can remove the screws without damaging it. So let's open all the screws first. Now after removing the screws, all you have to do is you have to hold it here and you have to pull back like this. So once you open the back, this is where you can find the battery unit. Now all you need to do is you have to hold this plastic transparent sheet over here and you have to pull this to unplug the battery from the main unit. Now if you can see, there are again multiple screws attached to the battery. So make sure you do not touch this lithium cells. All you have to do is after removing this screw, you have to hold the frame and then you have to pull the battery out. Now for this one, we are going to use the other screwdriver. So you can check which one is proper and you can remove the screws. Now you can see I have removed all the screws and there is again one screw in the middle, so do not forget to remove that as well. After removing all the screws, all you have to do is you have to hold the frame of the battery like this and you have to pull it out. And this is where you can attach the new battery unit. Now here you can see I have a new battery unit which is completely new, and if you buy a new battery unit, make sure that there is a small film on the top of the lithium cell. So you don't have to remove this film, you have to keep it as it is. So do not pull it out, keep it as it is. You can just attach the battery here like this and you can just fit the screw once again. Now I have attached all the 5 screws to the battery. Now all we have to do is we have to fit this battery, we have to connect this battery to the main unit. So you can just pull this and you can attach it to this particular point over here. After doing all this, we have to fit the back cover once again. Now after fixing all the screws, we are done. All you have to do is you have to turn on your MacBook to see if the battery is working or not. So let's try it now. If I turn it on, you can see Apple logo has appeared on the screen. Now it will take some time. Before that, I want to share a few details with you, like you can just charge your new battery to 100% and then keep it charging for at least 2 hours so that we can see if there are any unusual behavior or not. After that, you can unplug the charger and you can drain the battery completely. When you see the low battery warning, save your work and keep your laptop on until it goes to sleep due to low battery. So wait at least 5 hours, then charge your laptop uninterrupted to 100%. Now if you notice any unusual behavior or problem after installing your new battery, then you may try to reset your MacBook's SMC. So that's pretty much it guys for today's video. I hope you got an idea how can you replace a battery in your MacBook Air. If you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.